Okay, in this video we look at the distributive property, and in order to do the distributive property we're going to be multiplying integers, we're going to be applying the product rule, and we're also going to be collecting like terms. So let's take a look at an example here. We've got x plus 2y in brackets, and we've got a 3 sitting out in front. So what we're going to do is multiply everything in the brackets by what's sitting out in front. In this case we've got 3, so we're going to start off by going 3 times x, which gives us 3x, and then we're going to go 3 times the 2y, which gives us plus 6y. Now if we look at an example that's a little more complicated, maybe something like this, we're going to do the exact same thing. Same rules apply here. So we're going to start off, we're going to multiply everything in the first set of brackets by the entire term that sits out in front. So we're going to have 2x squared. We're going to multiply it by our minus 3x. And that'll give us 6, negative 6x, and we have to use the product rule. Don't forget the imaginary 1. We're going to add, since we're multiplying this term and this term, you've got to add your exponents, so we get 2 and 1, so that gives us 3. And now we're going to go 2x squared and multiply it by the 10y, which gives us 20x squared y. The next step is to take this negative 4x and multiply it by everything inside the brackets. So we start off, our minus 4x times 3x squared gives us a negative, so we put a minus sign. 12x to the exponent 3. Don't forget to add your exponents. And then we've also got negative 4x multiplied by our positive 5xy, and that'll give us a negative times a positive gives us a negative, so we put minus, and 4 times 5 is 20. X to the exponent, we've got a 1 here and a 1 here we have to add together to give us x squared, and then we can't forget about the y on the end of that as well. The next thing we're going to do is just group our like terms. So we can see we've got an x cubed. We're looking for another x cubed somewhere in here, and we've got one here. I'm looking for, we've got x squared y, and we've got an x squared y here that we can group together. So I'm just going to go ahead and group these terms. And the last step is to simply combine our like terms. So we've got negative 6x cubed minus 12x cubed, which gives us negative 18x cubed. And then we've got a positive 20x squared y, and we're going to minus 20x squared y, which just cancels each other out, gives us 0, and this is your final answer.